things you didn't know about Vegas.
Las Vegas is famous for its bright lights, non-stop entertainment, and crazy parties. But there's a whole other side to this city that most people just don't see. Today we're diving into 8 lesser-known hidden facts about the Las Vegas Strip. From ancient replicas to secret time capsules, and even a wedding chapel inside of a Denny's. We're uncovering the bizarre secrets that are hidden in plain sight. Let's start our journey from the very bottom of the Strip. Let's go.
Starting with the Luxor Hotel. Yup, the Pyramid Casino. Did you know the Sphinx outside the Luxor is bigger than the real one in Egypt? The original Sphinx in Egypt stands at 66 feet tall, but here at the Luxor, it's 110 feet. Vegas doesn't just recreate things, it supersizes them. Welcome to the world of bigger is better.
Number 2, did you know the Tropicana Hotel and Casino was once haunted and now it's gone? So now let's head across to the Tropicana, a hotel with some seriously creepy history. For years, the Tropicana was known for ghost sightings, strange cold spots, and rumors of mob tunnels. Sadly, the Tropicana was demolished in 2024 to make way for a new baseball stadium. For those who stayed there back in the day, there's no forgetting the spooky energy that lingered on those old floors. Hopefully it doesn't pass down to the new baseball stadium. Let's keep our fingers crossed.
Number 3 is over at the New York. The giant replica of the Statue of Liberty catches most people's attention, but not many know about the hidden memorial at the base. This quiet spot honors those lost in the 9/11 attack, with badges and patches from first responders all around the statue. It's a powerful tribute tucked away in plain sight, reminding us that Vegas is more than just glitz and glamour.
Next, we've got something buried deep beneath our feet at the MGM Grand. In front of this massive casino, there's a time capsule that was buried during its grand opening in 1993. It's set to be opened in 2093, which means we won't find out what's inside until the next generation takes a look.
Moving on to number 5, here at the Bellagio, home of the iconic fountain show. But here's the thing most people didn't realize or even think about. The Bellagio roof actually collects rainwater, and that water is used for the fountain show. So when it rains here in Vegas, it actually shoots right back up to the sky without wasting a drop.
And right across the street at the Paris Las Vegas, we've got the Eiffel Tower replica standing tall above the Strip. But did you know that you can actually ride in an elevator all the way to the top? Well, it's not as tall as the real Eiffel Tower in Paris, but it's still pretty impressive. From up there, you get a 360-degree view of the Strip, one of the best places to see the lights of Vegas without the crowds. Now, here's something weird about Caesar's Palace. Once you walk onto the casino floor, you'll notice that there are no clocks and no windows either. That's not an accident. It's all part of the design to make you lose track of time. No sunrise, no ticking clock, just slots, lights, and vibe. You can be in there for 15 minutes or 5 hours and not know the difference. Vegas knows how to keep you playing. And finally, if you make your way all the way down to Fremont Street, you'll find something you probably weren't expecting. A full-on wedding chapel inside a Denny's. Yup. You can get married between pancakes and milkshakes, in a booth, or under their mini arch. It's a real wedding license, real ceremony, and they'll even live stream it for your friends. Only in Vegas can you walk in for a grand slam and get hitched. So there you have it, some weird and lesser-known things hiding right on the Las Vegas Strip. Some are strange, some are historic, and some are just plain Vegas. If you learned something new, hit that like button and drop a comment telling me which spot surprised you the most. And if you've been to Vegas before, what's the weirdest thing you've seen? Thanks again for coming on the ride. I'll see you in the next one, but until then, stay curious and keep exploring.